Hi everyone, you can try this next question from CAT 2018, the first lot. Please pause the video and you can resume for the solution. So the question says, let x, y and z be three positive real numbers in a geometric progression such that x is less than y, which is less than z. If 5x, 16y and 12z are in arithmetic progression, then the common ratio of the geometric progression is. Right, so very straightforward question. The three numbers x, y and z are three positive real numbers that form a geometric progression, right? So let us suppose that the numbers are ar and ar square, a being the first term and r being the common ratio of the GP. So first term is a, second term is a multiplied by r, and ar into r will give you ar square, right? These are the three terms x, y, z forming a geometric progression. Now given that 5x, 16y and 12z are in an arithmetic progression, 5x will be 5 into a, that is 5a, 16y will be 16 into ar, 16ar, and 12z will be 12 into ar square, 12ar square. If these three numbers are in AP, the middle term is the arithmetic mean of the two extremes. So I can say 16ar is the average of 5a and 12ar square. So divide this by 2. Multiply by 2 on both sides. I get 32ar is equal to 5a plus 12ar square. Let's divide by a throughout. If I divide by a throughout, a gets cancelled. It has to get cancelled because x, that is a, is also a positive real number, non-zero. So we can cancel it out easily. This gives me 32r is 5 plus 12r square. Subtract 32r from both sides. I get 12r square minus 32r plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation which can be factorized as 12r square minus 30r minus 2r plus 5 is equal to 0. Between these two I can take a 6r common. I will get 2r minus 5 remaining. Between these two I can just take minus 1 common. 2r minus 5 remaining will be equal to 0. So 2r minus 5 from this bracket, 2r minus 5 common, and what remains is 6r minus 1, it is equal to 0. So either this part is 0 or this part is 0. The first part, 2r minus 5, will be 0 when r will be equal to 5 by 2. 6r minus 1 will be 0 when 6r is equal to 1 or r is equal to 1 by 6. So now we have two possible answer options. It's either A or D. But the point is, the question tells us that x is less than y, which is less than z. Here comes the significance of this statement. If x is a positive real number, that means a is also a positive real number. A into 1 by 6 will be the value of y. That means y has become less than a. If you further multiply it by 1 by 6, z will be a into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So z will be further lesser than y. So in this case, if the common ratio r is 1 by 6, the terms x, y, z will be in GP. But in that case, x will be the greatest term, which is a. The next term will be a by 6, that will be lesser than x, and the next term will be a by 36, which is further lesser than y. But we don't want this, we want the reverse of this, right? So the common ratio can't be 1 by 6, it is simply equal to 5 by 2, and that is our D option.